Tropical Depression number 9 to become a hurricane.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Tropical Depression 9 has formed in the Caribbean Sea and will soon become a tropical storm. The depression is located in the central Caribbean Sea and is moving west-northwest at 14 miles per hour. It is still battling wind shear, but became organized enough to be deemed a tropical depression on Friday morning. The system is forecast to become a tropical storm later today. It would be named either Hermine or Ian, depending on if it or another system in the eastern Atlantic becomes a tropical storm first. This pending tropical storm is forecast by the National Hurricane Center to become a hurricane in the Northwest Caribbean by late this weekend or early next week. It could then be located anywhere from the eastern Gulf of Mexico to near the Florida Peninsula as a hurricane by next Tuesday or Wednesday. Lower wind shear and an ample supply of warm, deep water in the Caribbean Sea are factors expected to contribute to the system's strengthening in the coming days. Interest in Jamaica, the Cayman Islands and Cuba should monitor the forecast for this system closely.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!